Welcome back. It's our story. Our story for today is called Farm Animals, and this is a really fun book. I want you to see if you can guess the animals, okay? This is a really fun book. You guys are going to really like it. All right, here we go. Farm Animals. Who am I? I have a snout. Can you guess? I have a snout. I have a curly tail. I'm a pig. Did you get it? Did you guess pig? Okay, what's the next one? Who am I? I have a feathery tail. I crow when the sun comes up. Have you guessed yet? I'm a rooster. Look at that. Look at that big old rooster. He certainly does live on the farm, doesn't he? Okay. Who am I? I have horns. I can't guess this one. I have a beard. Do you know what it is? I'm a goat. Look at that. Look at that billy goat. He's eating that grass. Who am I? I have spots. Can you think of a farm animal that has spots? I can moo. I bet you know what it is now. I'm a cow. Look at these pictures. They're so bright and colorful. I like those. These are all kind of colorful animals on here. That cow's got orange hair and blue ears. Have you ever seen a cow with orange hair and blue ears? Who am I? I say, ba, ba. Can you guess? My coat is woolly. I wonder who it is. I'm a sheep. Look at that. Look at that. That sheep is striped. It's like a zebra. And he's got purple ears. Look at that. Do you think that sheep is enjoying those flowers too? I'm a sheep. All right, last one. Who am I? I have hooves. I hee-haw. I'm a donkey. Oh my gosh, look at that. The donkey's laughing. Oh, I really like that book. I know you guys like that too.